Today, I'm going to show you how to rekey the interchangeable core lock using the Lab Interchangeable Core Annex. What I will not show you is how the keys are cut. Some of the language in this video you may not understand unless you are a locksmith and have done rekeying jobs with quickset and Schlage locks. Now, let's get started. This is what you will need: the Lab Interchangeable Core Annex kit. In this kit is, from left to right, the code book, the annex body, the capping tool, and the evictor tool. Then you will need to know what system you are going to use: A2, A3, or A4. The most common system is A2. Now, let's talk about setting up the pins. There are top pins and bottom pins. We will be talking about the A2 system. Remember, each chamber of pins has to add up to 23. Let's look at chamber 6. The driver pin is 10, the control pin is 7, the master pin is 2, and the bottom pin is 4. This equals 23. In chamber 5, the driver pin is 12, the control pin is 8, the master pin is 2, and the bottom pin is 1. This equals 23. In chamber 4, the driver pin is 9, the control pin is 10, the master pin is 2, and the bottom pin is 2. This equals 23. In chamber 3, the driver pin is 12, the control pin is 6, there is no master pin, and the bottom pin is 5. This equals 23. In chamber 2, the driver pin is 13, the control pin is 8, there is no master pin, and the bottom pin is 2. This equals 23. In chamber 1, the driver pin is 13, the control pin is 9, there is no master pin, and the bottom pin is 1. This equals 23. This is what the pins look like. You might be asking yourself, where are you getting those numbers from? This is a sample pinning chart. To get this pinning chart, you will need to buy a master keying system software program for about $300. Or you can wait until my next video. I'll show you how to make a master keying system using just a piece of paper and a pen. When you buy your pins, these are the numbers located on the front of the bag. In this box, these are all top pins, T for top, where it says .062-5T. 5 is the number that you use to add up to 23. Here we have .087-7T. 7 is the number we use to add up to 23. Do you follow me so far? Last one, to the right, we have .175-14T. 14 is the number that we use to add up to 23. Let's move on. Now, load all the pins into the code book as shown here. Be very careful when you pick up the code book loaded with the pins. Close the code book as shown here. Now, line up the arrows. See the arrow on the annex body, and see the arrow on the code book. Now carefully slide the code book into the annex body until it kind of snaps in place. Now, insert the empty core upside down into the annex body on top of the code book. Gently turn over the annex body and make sure you watch the core so it doesn't slide out. You may have to tap the annex body a few times and turn the core a little to get all the pins from the code book into the core. Now gently pull out the core. That was the easy part for now. Turn the annex body over with the lab name on top and slide your core into the annex body as shown here. Now put all your springs in, and then put all your caps in the hole, making sure that one spring and one cap for each hole.
When the red robin comes bobbing along, there'll be no more sobbing when he starts robbing his old sweet song. Wake up, you sleepyhead, get up, get out of bed, cheer up, the sun is reddening, love, laugh and be happy. What if I've been blue? Now I'm walking through fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing a song. When the red, red robin comes, bobbing along. When the red, red robin comes, bobbing along.
Now take the capping tool and a rubber mallet, not a metal hammer, and tap hard on each cap to seal in the pins and springs. You will need to hit this harder than what I am doing here. I am only demonstrating on how to use the capping tool. This is what it looks like when we're done. Now let's try the control key. Let's try the operating key. Now I'll show you how this will work. Now let's put the cylinder in the lock housing. If you try to put the cylinder in the lock housing without the control key, it will not work. Put the control key into the cylinder and turn the key to the right. Now slide the cylinder into the lock housing, turn the control key to the left, and pull out the key. The cylinder is now locked in the lock's housing. Let's try our operating key again to see that everything works correctly. Now let's remove the cylinder from the lock housing using the control key. Insert the control key and turn it to the right, and then pull out the cylinder. Now, how do you rekey this lock after it has been rekeyed? Next, I'll show you how to extract the pins from the cylinder using the Annex kit. First, insert the code book. And then insert the cylinder upside down into the Annex body as shown. Put the evictor tool in the first hole, then hit it with a rubber hammer. Do this to all the holes in the cylinder until all the pins have been extracted into the code book below.
Don't take it serious, it's too mysterious. At 8 each morning I have got a date to take my plunge around the Empire State. You'll admit it's not the berries in a building that's so tall. There's a guy in the show.
I didn't do all of them, just the first one. I wanted to show you what it looks like. Any questions, list them in the comments below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.
People are queer, they're always crowing, scrambling and rushing about. Why don't they stop someday, address themselves this way? Why are we here? Where are we going? It's time that we found out. We're not here to say we're on a short holiday. Life is just a bowl of cherries. Don't take it serious, it's too mysterious. You work, you save, you worry so, but you can't take your dough when you go, go, go. So keep repeating it's the berries. The strongest oak must fall. The sweet things in life to you were just loaned. So how can you lose what you've never owned? Life is just a bowl of cherries. So live and laugh at it all.